Welcome to Anil Nathu's 1 Hour Guide channel, a transformative space for leaders and entrepreneurs. Today we're going to explore the concepts from Stephen M. Covey's book, The Speed of Trust. Trust is the lifeblood of successful relationships, businesses, and societies. Without trust, everything takes longer and costs more. We experience this firsthand in our personal and professional lives. Think about a time when you lacked trust in a colleague or a team member. Did it slow down progress? Did it create unnecessary complexity and stress? The answer is almost always a resounding yes. Low trust breeds suspicion, second-guessing, and inefficiency. Conversely, high-trust environments are characterized by open communication, collaboration, and rapid decision-making. When we trust each other, we're more likely to share ideas freely, take calculated risks, and work together towards common goals. This speed of trust, as I like to call it, is a powerful accelerator of success. It's the difference between a team that's firing on all cylinders and one that's stuck in neutral. Trust is not merely a soft social virtue, it's a hard-edged economic driver of performance. When trust is high, costs go down and speed goes up. Relationships are strengthened and innovation flourishes. Consider the impact of trust on a business negotiation. When both parties trust each other, the negotiation is more likely to be swift and mutually beneficial. Agreements are reached faster, and contracts are signed with confidence. On the other hand, when trust is absent, negotiations can be fraught with suspicion and delays. Every detail is scrutinized and every word is carefully parsed. This not only slows down the process, but can also lead to missed opportunities and damaged relationships. The same principle applies to our personal lives. Relationships built on trust are characterized by openness, vulnerability, and emotional safety. We feel comfortable sharing our thoughts and feelings, knowing that we'll be met with empathy and understanding. Trust is built and sustained through consistent actions and behaviors. It's not a one-time event, but rather an ongoing process that requires conscious effort. To understand how trust works, the book describes 5 waves or dimensions of trust. 1. Self-trust. This is the foundation of all trust. It's about being credible and acting with integrity. 2. Relationship trust. This involves building strong, authentic connections with others based on respect, openness, and consistency. 3. Organizational trust. This refers to the level of trust that exists within an organization, encompassing factors like clear communication, aligned values, and a culture of accountability. 4. Market trust. This pertains to the reputation and credibility that an organization builds in the marketplace through its products, services, and interactions with customers. 5. Societal trust. This is the broadest dimension of trust, encompassing our trust in institutions, systems, and society. Leaders play a critical role in establishing and nurturing a culture of trust. They set the tone and create the environment where trust can flourish. In the book, Covey identifies 13 behaviors that are common to high-trust leaders. 1. Talk straight. Be honest and transparent in your communication. 2. Demonstrate respect. Treat everyone with dignity and value their contributions. 3. Create transparency. Share information openly and proactively. 4. Right wrongs. Take ownership of mistakes and make amends. 5. Show loyalty. Give credit generously and speak positively about others. 6. Deliver results. Consistently meet or exceed expectations. 7. Get better. Continuously learn, grow, and seek feedback. 8. Confront reality. Address tough issues head-on and don't shy away from difficult conversations. 9. Clarify expectations. Set clear goals, roles, and responsibilities. 10. Practice accountability. Hold yourself and others accountable for commitments. 11. Listen first. Seek to understand before seeking to be understood. 12. Keep commitments. Follow through on your promises no matter how small. 13. Extend trust. Believe in the potential of others and empower them to succeed. Trust, once broken, can be challenging to rebuild. However, it's not impossible. The first step is to acknowledge the breach and take responsibility for your actions. Next, you need to sincerely apologize for the harm caused and demonstrate a genuine desire to make amends. This requires empathy, humility, and a willingness to listen and understand the perspectives of those you've hurt. Rebuilding trust takes time and consistent effort. It's not a quick fix, but rather a journey that requires patience, perseverance, and a commitment to earning back the trust that's been lost. In today's hyper-connected and rapidly changing world, trust is no longer a nice-to-have, but a must-have. It's a critical driver of success in all aspects of our lives, from our personal relationships to our professional endeavors. By understanding the principles of trust and putting them into practice, we can create high-trust environments where communication flows freely, collaboration flourishes, and innovation thrives. For a deeper dive into the world of trust and how to harness its power, I invite you to subscribe to the 1 Hour Guide, a valuable resource for personal and professional development. In addition, you may purchase Kindle books by Anil Nathu on Amazon. All proceeds from the sale of his books are donated to charity in support of cancer research. Please consider donating to this cause and paying it forward if you can. In conclusion, remember that trust is a choice, and it's a choice that we as individuals make. Choose trust and experience the transformative power of the speed of trust.